Hello, good people of the world. I bring to you a home remedy. There is no remedy for this coronavirus for now. You have to start doing home remedy to preserve yourself, to protect yourself against this deadly disease. If you leave yourself to be infected, if you leave yourself for this virus to enter you deep, then you will be down. You have to start now to do the home remedy so that you will protect yourself. You will prevent the disease from entering you deep. They say prevention is better than cure. When you are down, they will take you to hospital and they can't help you. They're helpless. They are helpless in the hospital. They will give you a tube called ventilator to save you, and sometimes it will not save the person. They will remove the ventilator to give to more people, the people that will survive, because there's more vulnerable people who cannot survive it. When they look at you, if they feel that you cannot survive it, they will remove the ventilator, then the person will die. The amount of death this coronavirus is causing is alarming now, especially in Italy. It has entered everywhere. It is spreading like a wildfire. It is like sand. Do you know the sand on the ground? Whenever you touch, it's there. Whenever you touch, it's there. You cannot escape it. It's only God that will save us. So do everything at your reach to protect yourself. As their advice: ginger, garlic, thyme, lemon. Do everything at your reach. Drink constantly every 15 minutes, especially hot water, hot tea. Blend lemon, ginger and lemon together. Sieve it. Add a lot of water. Add more water. Don't allow it to be more concentrated. Don't do it more concentrated because it can do harm if you allow it to be more concentrated. So my people, you have to start home remedy now, because prevention is better than cure. This is paracetamol. Is for the cold, and flu. Cold and flu. Look at it. It is in the sachet. You can put it on the cup. Inside the cup, add hot water. Drink it. You can put it in the bucket with a lot of hot water. You cover yourself with blanket for 30 minutes. Or you can use vapor, hot vapor or balm. Look at balm. You can use balm. This is balm. You can use balm. You can use vapor. Look at it. Vapor. Vapor rub. You can use it to put in hot water and cover yourself for 30 minutes. You can do it morning and night to protect yourself, to prevent this deadly disease. Because if you allow it to enter you deeply, there is no cure. They haven't gotten any cure about it. So we are managing ourselves. This is for children. This one is for children. Shower them constantly and put it on their face so that this deadly virus will go away. Wash your hands constantly, every time. Every now and then, wash your hands before touching on your face or in your mouth or inside the nose. Wash your hands constantly before eating. Lead your children to shower, bathroom and wash their hands constantly before eating, because this deadly virus is everywhere. You cannot avoid it. It's invisible. It's microscopic organism. You cannot see them, but they are everywhere. Whenever you touch, it's there. You cannot avoid it. If you survive it, it's by God's grace. But those you can help yourself. Those who help themselves, God help them also. Don't allow yourself to fall prey. Please, you can, if you are Igbo person, you know utaziuziza uda. Use it to cook ofe nsala, cook pepper soup. Add more pepper, to it and water. Drink it constantly. Let's all switch to home remedy. Home remedy is the key now. There is no other thing you can do now. Even if they take you to hospital, they will not help you. They will just dump you there. So start to do your best to protect yourself and family and people around you. If you are still going to work, whenever you come home, remove your clothes outside, come home and start drinking the ginger, lime, lemon, and cover yourself, warm yourself, steam yourself with balm or this paracetamol in the sachet. You can pour it into hot water and cover yourself. After that, you can drink it again. That's what I have to say for now. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.